Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set automatic reply in Outlook, and that's gonna be super simple. Very first thing you need to do is just click on new email, and now here we're gonna type the email which we wanna send to people automatically. So here you just need to type that. I have already copied my email, so I'll just paste that by using my clipboard. So subject gonna be out of office, so it is up to you. Whatever you wanna send to people, you can just type that. Once you do that, go to file, click on save as. Now if you want to change the file name, you can do that. I'll just name the file name to abc123. Now we need to change the save as type, so it should be Outlook template. Now look into the folder where you want to save this file. I'll just save this on this folder, so I'll just click on that and just click on save. Now the file is saved, so we can just close this. Click on no. Now we have successfully completed the first step. Now it's time for the second step where we're gonna set the automatic reply. So for that we need to click on file, click on rules and alerts. Let's click on new rule and choose the option here, apply rule on message I receive, and click on next. Now in case if you have any conditions, you can choose that from here, but just like me, if you don't have any conditions, just click on next, and on this window just click on yes. So here we need to choose the option, this one, which is reply using a specific template. Once you check that, here you will see the option to choose the template, so click on a specific template. Now here we need to locate to that folder where we have saved that automatic reply. So we need to expand this drop down and choose the option user templates in the file system. Click on browse and choose the folder where we have saved that file. So this is the folder where I have saved that file. So I'll just click on the folder and click on OK, and yeah, you can see that the file has appeared. So we have to select this, click on open, and now here we just need to click on next. Now if you have any exceptions, like whom you want to send this reply or not, you can choose that. Just like me, if you don't have any exceptions, just click on next. Now if you want to rename this rule, you can do that. I'll just type here something like auto reply. Once you do that, make sure that this box should be checked and just click on finish. Then on this window you need to click on apply, click on OK. Your auto reply will be on. So let's say if you want to turn off this for now, you can just click on rules and alerts option. Here you need to uncheck this box and just click on apply and OK. That's how you can disable or enable auto replies on your emails. So let's say I want to enable it again. I can click on rules and alerts option, check this box, click on apply, click on OK, and my auto replies option will be turned on. And yeah guys, it is that easy to set auto replies in your Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.